Hi everybody, this is Nikki and I'm here to do a video that is personal experience, personal whatever, no medical advice whatsoever. I've had the Freestyle Libre 2 sitting in the corner of my room for a month or two. Prior to the pandemic, I was really excited about getting it. Excited about everything, sensors and diabetes, and now I'm more excited about cookies and crackers. So I'm trying to make myself reach down deep inside and focus. So I'm unboxing this and making myself put it on today. So I figured I would just try to do it here, hopefully to show how easy it is. We'll see. Okay, so in my box, I pulled out my Freestyle Libre 2 reader. And then there was also a sensor box, which had other things. But once I pulled this out of the box, the only thing I did off camera was I did charge it last night. And I'm not even sure you needed to, but I remember at some point needing to do these things for sensors or for, readers and transmitters and stuff like that. So I went ahead and did it. So I will see how this goes. So I'm powering it on. Oh. Made me a little bit nervous there for a second. I think I just powered it back off again. So we'll try it one more time. Okay, powering it on. There we go. There is my Freestyle Libre 2. I'm going to put it in English. It's less fun, but okay, November 22nd, that is correct. 2020, yes it is. The time is 11:45, so I'll set that. Okay, next. All right, it's telling me all about my arrows and what they mean. I will say I went through their little user manual this morning, and there was kind of some helpful stuff about bolusing. So that made me think about it. That's not what it was. But I do kind of recommend reading their user manual because it's interesting. Okay, if you see this symbol, do a blood glucose test before making treatment decisions. So it's just kind of giving me some information. Next. If the sensor glucose does not match, do a blood glucose test. That's true of all sensors. This one, the sensor can only be applied to the back of your upper arm. So that's it. I've heard of people going elsewhere. I've also heard of mixed results. And I'm thinking about maybe trying to mess around, but today in the upper arm. Next. Okay, important. This was actually new information. And in light of the pandemic and all that's happening out there, do not take high doses of vitamin C more than 500 milligrams per day. This may falsely raise your sensor readings, and they go on. Airborne, emergency, they all have high doses of vitamin C. So the only reason I say that is because I am familiar with Tylenol, and I want to say even the Dexcom at some point, maybe even currently the G6, there's something going on with ibuprofen, but vitamin C is new information for me. So, and now it's your information. Next. While using the reader, press the home button to return to the home screen. There's one button, so that's so if you can't remember it, press it because it'll probably work. Okay, and here I am in start new, no active sensor, start new sensor. So I actually kind of came prepared for this. So here I have my sensor applicator. Here I have my new sensor. Here I have my skin tack because I cannot put on a sensor and have it stick for the full life without skin tack. And here I brought some alcohol wipes, all 4 of them, only because there are witnesses, because I do not usually use alcohol wipes. Which is too much information. Okay, so I think this is old school Libre applying. So if I remember correctly, we're going to go ahead and open this up. We do have to make sure that the code matches. I guess it's gonna be right here. I got F82 and F82, and they did say that it didn't say it wouldn't work. It just said that you would get inaccurate readings. Okay, actually I just opened this, but I'm gonna apply my skin tack first and give it a minute. And this is usually where I like to put my Dexcom, but my Dexcom is in my lower leg right now on the 12th day, and my blood sugar was 86 this morning, Dexcom 82, and I'm thrilled because I wasn't sure if I could extend it in that location, but so far so good. That's how I get the sticky off my hands. Okay, All right, so here's my sensor applicator. I'm gonna line up the line with the line. I'm gonna put it down so I don't screw it up and like stamp it down. Now my sensor is there. So I'm gonna find the sticky part of my arm. And that's it. And the last time I did a Libre video, or maybe a Dexcom video, I made a joke. I went, ow, when I did it. Which I thought was hilarious. And I was told I'm completely immature, which is completely true. So I didn't do it this time, but I told you guys about it. Okay, that's it. Okay, back to my reader. It says start new sensor. So I'm gonna try it. Scan sensor to start. Important, do not take vitamin C, high doses of vitamin C. New sensor starting up, 60 minutes, so success. That was a very easy process, taking my Freestyle Libre 2 out of the box and starting up a new sensor, and in an hour, facing the music and checking my blood sugar to see if it matches. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.